Hello, welcome to another video broadcast from Master Investors Company. Today's theme is going to be about how to get rich with OPM, other people's money. So, two ways to get rich. First, we can use our money, and as long as we have a plan in place and some financial intelligence, then we can get rich using our own money. But here at Master Investor, we focus more on raising our financial intelligence with financial literacy because it allows us to raise capital from other people, from the bank's money, from private institutions, from private lenders, from friends and family. It does not matter because at the end of the day, they don't have the time to put good deals together. So you may ask, how would people give us their money to invest for them? Well, first we need to have a great plan together that we can demonstrate that what we are going to do with their money is going to bring their return back, their capital back with the time frame, and also reach infinite return on investment, which is when we recoup all the money back from the investment, and then it continues to produce a certain amount of cash flow or passive income or residual income per week, per month. It depends on what type of investment it is. So what we have to understand here is that we can use good debt, which is using other people's money. Good debt is basically asking for a loan and we put it to work. Many people only use credit cards and loans to buy liabilities. Here at Master Investor, we show you what a financial statement is and how to build the asset column. So the only way to do that is by using good debt, because if we use our own money, we say here only lazy people uses their own money to invest. And yes, it is like a funny statement but it has some truth to it, because we have to be more creative and put a deal together so that we can raise capital. Because once we find a great opportunity and it makes sense and it's on paper and we can show why it's making money today and why it has made money before and why it will make money when we acquire it, and we can maybe raise and improve the investment, right? It doesn't have a roof, or it doesn't have a cap where it stops growing. We can actually inject more money into it and it will scale up. So the velocity when we use good debt, when we use other people's money, OPM, is tremendous. We get an advantage. We can actually get into the fast track very quickly. So how can we start using other people's money without actually having to get people involved right away? Well, the first thing is that if you have some sort of credit that allows you to get a credit card, then you should start with that, right? We should start using our credit cards to acquire assets. Whether it's a small website that we're selling a product that we're getting from Alibaba, from China, right? And we're getting the product very low and we're turning around and selling it to our customers for a higher price, and it's on autopilot. We have a system doing the telling and selling for us, right? So it's very critical that we use our credit cards to invest into acquiring assets that produce cash flow. That's the bottom line. Cash flow is the key word of business. It's all about the cash flow. There are 8 elements that makes a great business, which are mission, leadership, team, product, legal, systems, communications, and cash flow. If those 8 elements are in place and we are ensuring that they are working simultaneously together, right, to create a successful business, to provide value to the marketplace, whether it's a website that is maybe into the health department, we're providing diets for people that have diabetes, or maybe someone that would like to lose weight. We have a plan for them. We have a specific diet that works, okay? It could be an informational product. It does not matter as long as we're solving a problem. So we gotta start becoming problem solvers and look at the problem and enjoy the journey to solve that problem and fulfill it with something of value that people are willing to give us their money, not just to buy the product from us, but also from the back end, from the investors, from the banks, right? So it's important that we understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. I'm going to leave a financial statement below that you can download for free. Here at Master Investor, we provide high quality financial education made simple. We are more than an investment management company. We are passionate about financial education so that we can increase our financial intelligence around the world. So please subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to also leave the link of the blog that explains about how to get rich with OPM, because that's the fastest way to get out of the rat race. If you find yourself at a place that maybe you hate to go to work every single day and you're like, I need more, I need something that allows me to have more freedom in my life so I can pursue my passions. If you're that type of person, then please hit the subscribe button and read the blog and then follow instructions below down on the description, because I'm gonna give you some opportunities so that you can position yourself in the marketplace and you can immediately today start making your first sale on autopilot. We would like to be your partner that helps you get out of the rat race, or if you're already out of the rat race but you need to increase your bottom line, your cash flow, then we would like to partner up with you so that we can help you do that as well. So check out the links below and take massive action. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share and comment below if you have any questions or any feedback. We appreciate you from being part of Master Investors community, and we have a lot more coming in for you to take advantage and raise your cash flow. Also, please check out our website at www.masterinvestor. I think I said masterinvestor.education. I'm going to leave the link below as well so that you can have it there, okay? Just go to masterinvestor.education and it's going to pop up, and follow us in all platforms at Master Investor. Okay, glad to be here bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Remember that wealth is created not by predicting the market, but by being prepared for any type of market, because as an entrepreneur and an inside investor, if we're playing on the right side of the quadrant, right, then we understand that the market goes up and down and it repeats itself. It goes down and it goes up. So we just have to ensure that we have the financial education, the financial intelligence that allows us to create cash flow in any type of market. And that's truly what an inside investor is, someone that knows what a financial statement is. So I'm going to leave that below so that you can download it for free, plug all your assets or liabilities and expenses and see it from above. See your financial life on paper. A lot of people only go to work and they don't even know where the money is going. They're just paying bills, but little that they know, they have so much room to grow and be able to fix their issues when it comes down to ensuring that they're directing their money into the right places and minimizing liabilities. And it's not really about minimizing liabilities, but it's about getting more assets so that you can live a more freedom life, a more rich life, a lifestyle that you always wanted to live. And with OPM, using the credit cards, if you have good credit, if you have okay credit, you can get $1,000 credit card. Don't go and buy something that takes money out of our pocket every time. Don't go and buy expensive shoes. Don't go buy something. Buy yourself a tool. Invest it into a computer. Invest it into maybe a camera or something that will help you create content, because at the end of the day, it's all about acquiring assets that produce cash flow. So put the money to work. Here we have a rule. Our rule number one is we make money work hard for us. We do not work for money. So the whole purpose of Master Investor and the mission is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners. And so we would like you to join us on our mission, and please let us know your feedback below and take massive action. I'll see you on the next video. Much love and stay great. Bye for now.